Hi everybody, welcome back to the Physio channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can tape your own knee to reduce knee pain. You may have come to this video from the exercise video for patella femoral joint pain. If you haven't, then you may wish to check that video out. I'll pop a link on the screen here. Otherwise, let's get started. So I've got here some RockTape. Of course, we always use RockTape because it tends to stick a lot better than many other brands. I'm going to cut two pieces of tape which are long enough to wrap around my knee. Now, don't worry too much about the length of the tape. In fact, it's probably better to have a little bit too much than not enough. So start below the kneecap on the top of the shin there. There's a knobbly bit called the tibial tuberosity. So start there below the kneecap and then make sure you've got enough that will wrap around the knee like so. And I've cut two pieces of equal length because one is going to wrap around the outside and the other one will wrap around the inside. And this is called the knee wrap. Not because it's a dodgy rhyme, but because it's designed to wrap with a W around the knee. So two pieces of tape, always a good idea to get your scissors and round off the ends of the tape so those edges don't catch on clothing. So round off those ends there, round off those ends there. Doesn't take long, but worth doing. So come in, have a closer look and let me show you what to do. Pull the tape like so, so the backing paper rips and the tape will stretch. Push the underside of the tape to lift the backing paper away and then pop the first piece of tape down below the kneecap over the top of the shin bone, over that knobbly bit that I mentioned, the tibial tuberosity. And the tape, as you can see, is at an angle, an oblique angle of about 45 degrees. Peel away the backing paper, leaving just a little bit on the end so that you don't have to touch the glue side of the tape. Then you'll see that the tape is lovely and stretchy, nice and elastic. Stretch the tape gently by about 30% and then use your hand to stick the tape down as the other hand pulls it around the kneecap. When you get to the top, remove the last piece of backing paper and stick the last piece of tape down with no stretch. So there was no stretch at the beginning, there was a stretch through the middle part of the tape and no stretch at the end. Also note the position I'm talking to you in is a seated position with my knee bent at a right angle of around 90 degrees. That's the position you want to have your knee in when you apply the tape. So now you can rub over the tape and you want to do that to make sure it's stuck down onto the skin firmly and simply not floating on any hairs around the knee, or even without hairs, you still want to make sure you rub the tape to secure it down onto the skin. So that's the first part of the knee wrap. We then take the second piece of tape, peel away that backing paper, don't touch the glue side of the tape, and apply that over the starting point. Peel away the backing paper so that you can stretch the tape, stretch it by about 30%, use your other hand to stick the tape down as you pull it around the knee. The tape will then overlap above the knee and then you can stick the last piece down on the skin like so. Make sure you rub the tape to secure it in place. As you can see, super simple, doesn't take long and only requires two short pieces of RockTape. You can get RockTape extra sticky, so if you wanted the tape to be extra sticky and stay in place, perhaps if you are doing lots of water-based sports or getting quite hot and sweaty with activities, then you could use the RockTape extra sticky. Otherwise here I've just used the normal RockTape, comes in lots of different colours. Naturally I'll put a link in the description linking to our Amazon site, so if you want to have a look at RockTape on there and choose your desired colour, then you can. The colour makes no difference to the properties of the tape. The taping should be comfortable and allow you to do your exercises with less pain and discomfort. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that helpful. Hit the like button if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't and consider sharing this video with anybody who you know might like to try the knee wrap taping. Thanks for watching.